Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use lists in Unity to manage dynamic collections of data. What is a list? List is a dynamic collection structure. This means that its size can change automatically as elements are added or removed. In C#, a list class is used to create lists. The T represents the type of elements you want to store in the list, for example, int, string, or custom objects. Differences between list and array. Array has a fixed size. Once you define its size, you cannot change it. List has a dynamic size. You can add or remove elements as needed, and the list will resize automatically. 2. Array. Best for static data where the size is known beforehand and will not change. List, ideal for dynamic data where the number of elements can change frequently. 3. Array, generally more memory efficient and faster when accessing elements, since the size is fixed and contiguous in memory. List, more memory intensive because it can resize dynamically. However, it provides more flexibility. First, we create an empty list to store numbers. Unlike arrays, lists don't have a fixed size, so we can add or remove elements anytime we want. Now, we add numbers to the list using the .add method. Here, we added the numbers 5, 10, and 20. Next, we use a for each loop to print out all the numbers in the list. Let's see how the list looks. Alright, let's quickly test it now. As you can see, all the elements in my list have been printed in the console. To better understand lists, we will make our list public so we can see it in the inspector window. From here, you can see the numbers added to our list. Now, we remove the number 5 from the list using the remove method. This allows us to modify the list dynamically. After removing it, we will print the list again in the console to see the updated result. That's how easy it is to use lists in Unity. You can add, remove, and display elements with just a few simple commands. Finally, we print the updated list after removing the number 5, and as you can see, it's no longer there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.